Kalong ka burom ka bakraw ya kari India hi borok kawai mat kamtam ya ka Indian Space Research Organization ISRO adin bakalayo jingjob ya ka jingpha ya uling soing Chandrayan 3 shau Bnai ha ka bau Chandrayan 3 layo ban yuk jet thiop hau Bnai menen kasngi kata arplai trik unai lar hajar arplai ha ka por kuman rusi teng menmet ha ka por India klam kano ka jingwet ne thot Henry layo ban poibe sakajaka balathmu shau Bnai Hakabala pha yang Chandrayan 3 men hakachau trik ujiliu hajar arfly hakapor arlai pesan janmet na Satish Dhawan Space Center ha Sri Harikota Bengaluru hadin kajinga ilenti ka balai lak kilometer ban poi shidu Bnai na slajong ka pertai ki scientist ka ISRO kila ong bakalong ka bae bha ya kajing hiar ka ne ka lingsuny hau Bnai hakaba kila shim ya ka nuksa na kajing hiar kendau ka lingsuny mat ki wedi ki bor na mar kajing ila persya kajing tan ki bor ka maryang na ka lingsuny syamadan Kanai ka jingjob jong ka India kalapan kemen bahai ki scientist ka ISRO kibala ap dah kispangot ha ka jakat rekam ka ISRO kepada ha Bengaluru. Lapan ilai telekas ru keleng ya ka jingjob jong ka Chandrayan Mission 3 kumju ha ki television bat YouTube. Lapan iru halor ka jing pulom ka jing pha ya kiling suin Chandrayan 1 bat 2 syau Bnai hendrai ka blayo ya ka jingjob ha ka ne ka wat ka bameta. Kanai ka jingla jong ka India ban pha ya Chandrayan 3 syau Bnai kalapan mentoi sibun halor ka jingkiu ka jing start science bat teknologi hapo gari ka bakat kum ka ne ka juk ka bameta
सारे ऑर्बिट मैन्यूअर्स इस प्रकार किए जाएं कि लैंडिंग साइट पावर डिसेंट की शुरुआत से ही लैंडर के ऑर्बिटल प्लेन में बना रहे
Make it further complicated. True indeed. We have arrived at the crucial juncture wherein the orbit plane contains the desired landing site at the start of powered descent. We are also happy to announce that live images from the Chandrayan 3 lander imager camera is being received continuously. The demonstration of soft landing on the moon's surface is no ordinary feat due to the innumerable challenges and complexities involved. The lander velocity has to be killed from nearly 6,048 kilometers per hour without any aid from the thin and tenuous moon's atmosphere. The lunar dust at the time of landing and the craters and boulders scattered over the moon's surface make it further complicated to achieve this. The new and improved Chandrayan 3 design has been built after envisaging all the scenarios which the lander module can encounter. With several software improvements, provision for full-level redundancies, a plethora of special tests, namely the integrated hot test, integrated cold test, and lander leg drop tests were carried out for the lander module. The success of these tests has provided great confidence in the performance of all the onboard sensors, propulsion system, and associated guidance, control, and navigation